everyone. If you're not receiving verification codes on Gmail, don't worry. Here are the most common fixes that actually work in 2026. First, refresh your Gmail inbox by swiping down, then go check your spam. Click on three dots here. Now you can check your spam or you can check your trash folders because verification emails often end up there. Next, make sure you have stable internet connection. If you're on Wi-Fi, switch to mobile data. If you're on mobile data, you can switch back to Wi-Fi. Now, if that doesn't work, you can go to your mobile setting. Now tap General. Now tap iPhone Storage. Now you can search Gmail. Now you can tap Offload app. This can sometimes fix your problem. Also check that you have entered the correct email address when requesting the verification code. Even a small typo means the email will never arrive. If you're using a custom email filter or have blocked the sender before, remove the filter or unblock the address. Finally, remember that some services limit how many verification codes they can send. If you've requested too many in a short time, you may need to wait a few minutes or even few hours before requesting another one. If you've tried all these and you're still not receiving verification code, the problem is most likely with the website or app sending the email, not Gmail itself. In that case, you'll need to contact the service you're trying to sign in or wait until the email system starts working again. If this video has helped, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.